Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I want to talk a little bit about how you can sign a PDF with your iPhone. So first off, you have to go to the Apple Store, and you have to download Adobe Reader. Once you get it, install and whatnot, open her up. If it asks you to sign in, just hit the X on the top right, and then you'll be able to go right into it. This is your home page, and let's say that this is the file that we need to sign. I'm just going to click on that, and it's a little worksheet. We're going to click on this over here at the bottom right, the little pen, if you didn't see it right here, and then we are going to hit Fill and Sign. Fill and Sign will bring some options up, and we want to hit this one at the far right. We want to create a signature. And now what we do, sometimes you may have a stylus that you want to use this with. Sometimes you just use your finger. Okay, so then if you don't like what you've written, hit clear. And if you like what you've done, hit done. Another thing that you can do is with a camera, sorry about that, with a camera, go ahead and sign your name to a piece of paper, and then hit the camera, wants to use that, and then we can take a photo of a signature, use photo, and we can use that to move it around, hit done, and then you can say, yeah, that's the one I want to use. Or you can take a picture of your signature, and then there, you can expand it, retract it, and put it wherever you want to. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run through this, how you can do this from your email. Let's say you get a PDF document coming to your email and you need to sign it. First off, I'm going to hit done over here, and then we'll go back. And if we want to open it again, we'll see that it has my signature on it. So here I have my email, and that's a test PDF. I'm going to open it up. The first thing I notice is that it's not opening it up with Adobe. It's important we open it with Adobe. So I'm hitting that button on the top right with the square with the arrow showing up. One sec. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light on here. There, that's better. And then, So here we can see my Gmail. I'm going to come over here and hit the test PDF. That's the pertinent one we want to use. So it's going to bring this up in its own viewer. But this isn't Adobe. Remember, we have to open this within Adobe. What we're going to do is hit this button up here, and we're going to tell it to open it with Adobe Acrobat. And we will hit Import to Acrobat, and there it is. Next thing we have to do is hit the sign button at the bottom left. Fill and sign, hit the signature, and drop our signature, and put it wherever we want. And we can make that, it looks like we can't make it bigger or smaller. But anyways, there we go. Your signature's right on the page. Bingo bango. And if you want to send it out again, one sec. Okay, so if you want to send it out again, hit this button, and then share a copy. And you want to mail it with Gmail to whoever you want to send it to. I will send it back to myself. Brown@gmail.com. Or, oh wait. And away we go. Now, the PDF, I'm going to close that up. The PDF will be sent back to me in an email, and there's a signature. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can sign a PDF using an iPhone and Adobe. Gotta have Adobe though. Anyways, like and subscribe if I've helped you out here. I always appreciate it. And have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.